Guys, start recording, okay?
Yeah, fine.
Yes. So I'm sharing my screen. So that day we have discussed about the folder management systems and all, right? Today we will start the tool. We are going to study about the okay. Where is the circuit schematic? DR I have saved, you know. This is the schematic. That is the client input. Okay.
Okay.
And we have where we have to keep in the client input folder, whatever you are getting from the client. Okay.
Okay.
So this is the project. Here we are going to learn each and everything. Okay. Here first we learn. First, I request you all to read this study this thoroughly. Okay. If you learned this concept, okay, you can design any power supply board. You will come to know separation. You will come to know isolation. You will come to know power flow. You will come to know the feedback circuit. Okay. So first you have to means this schematic explanation they have given here. Okay. Today we have to discuss means you have to read at your home this schematic functionality, how the schematic works. See, your description is there. Okay. First is here input filtering, means this is the schematic. This part is called input filtering. Okay. Now this section is our rectification, means converting AC to DC, right? So first you have to read this description. See, simply we can start schematic drawing and this drawing. Okay. But before that, if you know this basic concepts, you will come to know how the circuit flowing, how the flow of the circuit. Okay. Guys, am I clear?
Yes.
So if you go for the interview, they will ask what kind of designs you have done. You can tell, I have done the power supply boards. Okay, I have done the controller boards. So they will ask questions from the power supply. What is feedback circuit? What is S number circuit? Okay, what is surge protection? Okay, what is bias? Okay, what is input filtration? What is EMI filtration? They will ask. Before that, after along with study with this circuit, this explanation of the schematic, write some points what you have to prepare. Right? What is S number circuit? What is S number? SNNUBER, S number circuit. Okay. Hello, are you writing, guys?
Yeah.
Why? Because they will ask in tool less. They will ask more concept. Okay. Next, what is decoupling capacitor? Okay.
Okay.
What is EMI filter? What is pull up registers, pull down registers? Okay. What is builder register? Bleeder register. BLEEDER, bleeder. Okay.
Okay.
These topics, at least five lines, you have to make a note and send to me on WhatsApp. Okay. And also write what is the feedback circuit. Before starting the tool, I told you we have to always go with the concept. Why? Because if you go for the interview, if you go for the design, you have to implement concept only. Okay, not tool. Tool anybody can do that. Concept we need to learn in deep. Right, guys?
Okay.
So this topic one by one. This five to six topics, I think it is there. We prepare five lines. Okay, five lines definitions and their functionality on your notebook. Click a picture and send to me. Everybody, I'm telling you. Okay.
Okay.
That things you can get YouTube. You can get on Google also. Okay. not from yourself. You have to prepare it from Google. Okay. After that, after on your definitions, I will explain in the circuit. Okay. Is that clear, guys?
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
So now we are going to start the tool. Means first we have to design this schematic. This is the schematic of ours. Okay. This is the schematic. Now, so I told you client's input. Guys, everybody ready with the client input? Hello.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello.
Guys, I have told you no client's input.
No,
Sir,
Not explained the
this
client's
is
input.
second class. Sir.
no,
No, you
Yeah.
didn't explain it.
yeah, I'm not in.
Guys, I have explained client's input. What the requirements from your clients to design a project.
No, sir,
No,
we have
no, we didn't
completed
do
only
that.
the
Yeah, that
house,
thing you explained it.
copper
Sorry?
thickness. Yeah, we have completed on last class.
Acha. Okay, no issue. I'll
Yes.
explain today. Okay, I'll explain today. Client's input and we'll start this.
We have completed the copper thickness mill and
Okay. I have this. I was done in some other batch. I think.
yeah.
Not. Okay. My mistake. Okay, no problem. Guys, this depends on your. Oh, why I'm sending to Atu? I'm sending this. I have to send
Not in the group.
group. Yes, I have to send in the group now.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. So folder management structure I have explained you.
No,
No, sir.
no, sir.
Hello.
No, sir. Not
Hello.
explained.
Folder management also not
Yes, sir.
explained.
Yes, sir. Not explained.
Not yet.
Hmm.
Okay. Okay.
We just learn about how are the things works in PCB and what is the layers of the PCB, how it
Okay, I
works.
think it is
That's it.
collapsing something else. Okay, no issue. Today I'll discuss about the after the class. First, we have to think our folder structure, guys. Guys, just listen one thing.
Hmm.
When we have studied, okay, in engineering colleges or any other schools and all, okay. So if you check, if you see, there will be in our college multiple departments and branches will be there, right?
Yeah.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Electrical, mechanical, civil, computer science, IT, and many more. Okay. So can anybody tell what will happen if everybody, means all branches peoples, the students are sitting in a common place and parallelly all classes are happening, means all their branches classes are happening. What will happen at the time?
Yes.
Hello?
Hello.
What will happen at the time, guys?
They used to separate every department.
Not separation I'm asking. I am asking what will happen if everybody is sitting in a common place and classes are running? What will happen? That you tell me.
Most of the people not understanding.
Most of not. Everything will be collapsed. Everything will be mixed up. Nobody will get the proper things what they
Not there.
are they need, right?
Right.
So likewise, during the design cycle, we will generate more than 500 files. Okay, more than 500 files. Some will be generated by ourselves. Some will be generated by the tool itself. Okay.
Okay.
If you keep everything in a single folder, what will happen? Everything will mix up. Since the project name will be the same, so what will happen? Everything will be the same name. Only extensions will be different. So what you want means, suppose you want to search something, you can't find easily because in one single folder, you are going to maintain more than 1,000 files. Okay. Guys, is that clear?
Yeah, it's clear.
So before starting any projects, either any company or your personal or anything, we have to follow the folder structure management. I'll tell you here in Paint. Guys, what the topic is?
Folder structure management.
Folder. Guys, and last time also I told you given some topic to remind me for the next class. Why you're not reminding me? Otherwise topics will be forget. Okay.
Okay.
I told you no last time you remind me for next class. You have written in your notebook.
Actually, for
Yeah.
me and Atul, you completed this folder structure. The other
Sorry.
people's, they were
We
not.
forgot to do.
For me and Atul, you completed this folder structure.
For you and Atul, okay, two people are new, no? Okay.
Yeah, Mohan.
Yeah.
I'm the
Hmm.
I'm the one.
Yeah,
who
okay, okay.
got
Let me explain again. Okay, so it will be repeated
Okay,
for you. Okay.
Right.
That's why I remain.
Yeah,
I have done this session. A structure. You can say architecture. Architecture or management. Management. Guys, see everything we have to keep in the segregation form, right? So first, what you have to do means I told you the college example. If everything will be in the same thing, same common place, everything will be mixed up. Nobody will get there what they look for. Okay. So means before starting the project, first you need to gather some informations from the client, from the hardware team, or from your manufacturer, means PCB fabrication side. That will comes under the input. Okay. But where you have to keep, what you have to do, I will tell you. Okay. First you have to create. First you have to create a main project folder. Okay. Main project folder. Means this will be your project code. Okay. Which will be given by your company. Okay. Or project code. See, you will be most of the people working with the name of project code. Okay. Means it will be not project name. The project will be in the coded form. Okay. Guys, if you say yes or no, then I can move next. No.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this folder will be the main project folder first. Okay. Means this is your college, right?
Okay.
After entering the college, you have to create one folder like first folder you have to create clients input. Okay. Means what you need to design the project and what you will be needing during the designing a project. That is called client input. Okay.
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 Second thing. Second. A schematic. Okay. See, client will also give you the schematic. Okay. Guys,
Okay.
Yeah.
client will also give you the schematic. Okay.
Okay.
But
Okay.
that schematic will be in the form of PDF,
PDF.
paper drawing. Okay, not in tool drawing. Sometimes they will give in the tool drawing also. Okay.
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 But 1 second, guys. Sorry, guys, 1 minute. Sometimes if your client is okay, they will give you the tool, but it will be having maximum error. Okay. Better to create your own schematic. Okay. By your hand. Okay. Why? Because if you design the schematics, what will be the errors? What will be the mistakes? Easily you can able to identify and you can remove. Okay.
Okay.
So client will give you the schematics in the form of input, in the form of PDF, pen paper drawing. Okay, that I will discuss in client input section. Okay. First, let me show the what folders you need to create inside the main project folder. Okay.
Okay.
Then third point, to design a schematic, what you required?
Symbols.
Libraries of the symbol. Okay. So next folder you are going to create library. Okay. See here. The tool is having a schematic inbuilt libraries. Okay. Softwares. But I never recommend to use the pre-inbuilt libraries symbols in the tool. The reason is you don't know who has done these creations, what parameters they have maintained. Okay. If you find some error and warnings, you can't able to get rid easily. Okay. So always I suggest you to create your own schematic libraries so that practice will be proper and you can, whatever the mistakes, errors and warnings you will find, you can easily able to understand and clear it during the design life cycle. Okay.
Okay.
So this schematic designs you are going to done by yourself, schematic libraries. Okay.
Okay.
After schematic, you have to create one more folder like fourth number will be DRC. DRC means design rule check. Okay. DRC means design rule check. In that DRCs, you are going to check electrical rules, physical rules, and other correction rules. Okay. Guys, is that clear? DRC means design rule check. So whatever DRC you will generate, okay, you have to keep that report in the DRC folder. Okay. So DRC means what I'm saying is, guys, we have studied in engineering college, right? Suppose by chance, by mistake, unfortunately, we have got some backlogs or some low marks in the subject during the semester exams. Okay. So university and college gives us the chances, 2 or 3 chances, right? To write and clear the exam. Am I clear up to here?
Yeah, sir.
So suppose you have not passed in first attempt. So you are going to give the exam for second attempt. Maybe you will pass. If not, then you are going to write the exam for third attempt. If not passed, then again you will be semester backlog called. You are going to study in the same semester, right? Guys, am I clear now?
Yeah.
Same like here. First time after designing your schematic, you will generate DRC for first attempt. Okay. After redesigning, you got hundreds of the error. Okay. You will study that error and you will try to resolve it. So in first attempt, you have resolved 60 errors. Okay. Now, but still 40 errors are there. Again, you generate second time DRC, second attempt, and check what errors are pending. Again, you will work, you will get the 10 errors. I'm just telling about the examples and way of work. Okay. So in third and fourth attempt, you can get 0 error and 0 warning. That all DRC reports you have to save in the DRC file, DRC folder. How many times you have generated and how many times you get resolved the problems. Okay. That is called DRC folder, right?
Yeah.
Guys, clear?
Okay.
Clear, sir.
Now, next, guys, recording, after recording, you have to upload in the drive. Okay.
Sure.
So after designing the circuit, okay, you have to design the libraries, then design the schematic, then generate the DRC reports and clear the DRC reports. Next step is you have to create netlist. Okay. Netlist. Okay.
Yeah.
Netlist, you can write a short form. See, every topics will take 1 or 2 classes. Okay. So just a simple brief introduction I'm giving you. Okay. Netlist is the, you can write in your notebook, netlist is the textual form.
Sorry.
Or coded form, textual, TEXTUAL, UAL, textual. textual form or coded form of our schematic. See guys, I told you about this schematic. This schematic. What is the form of this schematic right now?
Okay.
What is the form? I'm asking. What is the form you are seeing here?
I'm seeing in circuit form. Circuits.
Which form?
Circuit.
PDF.
Circuit only.
PDF.
PDF. In PDF
PDF.
means this circuit means this is the graphics only. No, this is 2D graphics. 2D graphics form you can see here.
Yeah.
This is graphics only. No, graphic symbols only. No.
Yeah.
So these symbols are going to converted internally in the coded form. If I tell here, see here, this is the Google. But if I see the backend, see here, view source page. How this code is? For this page, they have coded this, right? So
Yeah.
for our schematic also, it will generate some code that is
Yeah.
called netlist. Okay.
Okay.
Got this point?
Yeah, we got.
Guys, we will get late to finish the course, but everything will be in the deep and explained form. Not like simply I have drawn a schematic, I have done the footprints, I have made circuit, release the Gerber. Okay, no, it's not like that. You have to spend more time. If I am not in hurry, so you should not be in hurry, right?
Yeah.
So each and everything will be in deep. Why? Because in the design period, you will be facing lots of problem. Okay, lots of issues. So you should enough capable to resolve the issues, because in your company, no is going to help you, right? You will be not there. Okay, I will be also not there. Means I will be there inside, but you can't call me from the company, sir, I'm getting this and how to resolve it. Okay, right?
Okay.
I'm clear, guys. So
Yeah,
I'm explaining here in deep so that you can you will be enough capable to resolve the issues at your end at the same time. Okay. So netlist is the coded or textual form of the circuit. Okay. Which stores information about right there. It is the coded or textual form of the schematic. Which stores information about circuitry, their symbols, connections, and pins. Okay. Guys, clear?
Yeah.
Now,
Okay, sir.
sixth, you are going to create BOM folder. BOM folder. Bill of material or BOQ. Bill of quantity. Okay. Right? Bill of material. What is bill of material?
What are the components
we are using?
Yes. Okay, right here. Bill of material is the complete detailed information about used components, all used components for the project. Okay. Okay. Seventh number you have to create data sheet. Okay, guys.
Okay.
Data sheet. Write something about data sheet. Data sheet is the complete, detailed, okay, complete detailed information about a particular component or a particular part.
Yeah.
See here, the BOM and data sheet, meaning you look like same, but difference is bill of material is complete details of all components, okay, used for the project. Data set is the complete and detailed information about a particular component, particular part. Okay, not all. Guys, clear?
Yeah.
Clear.
Who is not clear?
Yes, sir.
Everybody okay?
Yeah, we are, sir.
So what are the
Hello?
components in BOM? The same thing is in data sheet also.
Hello? Who is this? Tell me what you want.
No, what all are the components used in BOM? The same thing.
Guys,
Hello.
same thing. I told you BOM is the list of complete detailed used parts for the project. Okay.
Right.
Data set will be the details list of the each and every component. Not all at one place. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Means right here, data set is the Janama Kundali for the components. Janam Kundali, you know, na?
Sorry.
Guys, who is aware about the Janam Kundali?
Sir, I didn't get what you said.
Yeah.
Who is telling I am not getting, guys? I think speak loudly, no.
It's clear to me, Vijay.
Next, who is telling I am not clear? Tell me, Mohan.
Yeah, I know about the BOM data sheets. It's about each and every component. We will consider the data sheets and we will keep. it
No,
in
who has told me I am not clear? Who is that?
Myself.
Senthil.
Yeah.
Senthil.
Yes.
Bill of material will contain all the list of components what you have used for the project.
Okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
But data sheet is the detailed information will be a single component. Means suppose in your project there's a thousands of components are there, so you have to have thousands of data sheets. Okay.
Okay.
Clear?
Got it. Clear.
Means data sheet is all information about the a particular components. Means components.
Correct.
When it was researched, what is the parameters, what is the input range, what is the analysis, what is their graphs, everything. Means suppose you take an example for a human Janam Kundali. We all are having our Janam Kundali, no? When we have birth, what nakshatra, what we will do in future, what is our future. Means a brief discussions will be there in the our Janam Kundali, right?
Okay.
Same Janam Kundali you can say for the components.
Hmm.
Now this much simple examples who can explain, guys? This is the simplest example I can say. The data set is the Janam Kundali for the components, right?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, we understood, sir.
Is that clear?
Yeah.
Clear, sir.
Now, 8th number you have to create. Sorry. 8th number you have to create. Footprint library. See how like schematic library it is. Okay. So next will be your footprint library. Okay. Footprint library means you write here footprint. First, what you should know about the footprint. Okay. Footprint is the land pattern of the physical components on the PCB. Footprint is the land pattern of the physical components on the PCB where components are going to be seated and soldered. Okay. Is it clear, guys?
Yeah, clear, sir.
So footprint means how many components are there in the project. You have to create a footprints library. Okay. Means footprint means physical components you are going to attach on the PCB, right?
Okay.
So footprint is the land pattern or landmark of the physical components on the PCB where the component is going to be seated and soldered. Is that clear, guys?
Clear.
Yeah, it's clear.
Clear?
Clear, sir.
Yes, clear, sir.
Now, 8th number you have to create new folder like new thing. Step files. Step files or 3D model. 3D model. 3D model means, guys, what we will create the footprints means components. The new feature in 17.4 is same 3D model of the component we can attach. Means how the physical component we are getting in hand. Okay. Same,
Yeah.
same like 3D we can attach in the footprints.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Now, 9 number.
10.
You have to create now board file. Board means your PCB. PCB. Okay. 10th number folder you have to create.
It's 11th.
11th, sir.
11. Huh?
So after 7, you kept 9. Not in
Oh, wait.
the place
7,
of
8. Sorry. Here 8. Here will be 9. Here will be the 10. 10. This will be the 11. Right.
Yeah.
Thank you. Next, after board, PCB design. What is the next? Your manufacturing outputs, guys. Okay.
Okay.
Miss Gerbers. Gerber. Gerber. That is called nothing but manufacturing output. Manufacturing output means what you are going to give in fabrication shop, PCB manufacturing unit. Okay.
Okay.
12th number is you have to create reports folder. After finishing the PCB design, you have to generate multiple reports to justify your design.
Okay.
Like cross reference report, dangling report, zero DRC report. Okay. So many things are reports. You have to assembly reports, assembly files. You are going to keep in the report files. Okay. Guys, this clear?
That's clear.
Clear.
But if you not follow this folder management, so at the end of the design, you are going to have more than 1,000 files. Okay. More than 1,000 files. If you keep in a single folder, okay, it is going to become very hard for you to get the things, to find the things. Why? Because after finishing a project, you are not going to sit idle. Your company will assign another project, right? Guys, clear?
Yes, sir.
After
Yes, sir.
6 months, 7 months, your client, your hardware team, your R&D team ask anything about, they can ask, they have right to ask, give me that file, give me that file. So that time, for you, it will be very hectic to find and give. Okay. So always keep in the proper organized form, right?
Okay.
Guys, is that clear?
Yeah, clear.
That's clear.
So this folder structure is very important for the designs. Okay. This I am sharing you. This is a bit hard to follow for the first time, but you maintain the same practice. Okay.
Yeah, okay, sir.
This will be the same. Okay, this is the folder management. You should not forget, you have to follow these things for each and every project. Okay, but one thing, I am telling about my 7 year experience in this. Okay, companies having their different rules, with different folder structure system. Sometimes they will keep all the files in 5. They will divide their system in 5 folders. They will divide in 4 folders, and they will divide in 10 folders also. Okay, means client will be the some different folder, schematic, libraries, DRC, netlist in one folder. Okay.
Okay.
The BOM dataset footprint in one folder. Step files, sorry, BOM dataset footprint step files in one folder. Board Gerber in one folder and report in one folder. But means depends on their working criteria, how they works, what is their process. Okay.
Okay.
You got to know what I'm trying to say?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. I have explained here in more detail. Okay.
Okay.
But process is the same.
Hmm.
Okay. Now, one more example here. This is, I have explained here. This is not only folder management. This is also a flow of design. Flow of design cycle.
Design.
Flow of design cycle. Okay. Flow of design. Flow of design cycle. Guys, see my teaching style. In same time, I have explained two things. First, your folder management, which you are going to follow for each and every projects. Then it will be on your tongue tip. Guys,
Okay.
Yes, sir.
if you do this for 10 times for 10 projects, so it will be on remembering on your tongue. Simply you will know what will be the next, what will be the next, what is the next folder, what is the next folder, right?
Yeah.
If interview go for, they will ask what is the design life cycle, design cycle. Okay. So we'll explain. First, we have to get the things from the client. Then we have to generate, we have to create net and a schematic. To create a schematic, we need a schematic library. So we'll create a schematic library. So after creating the schematic, we have to generate the DRC. Then DRC will generate the net list. After net list, we'll generate some BOM. Okay. Then we'll get data sets from the BOM. Then we'll create the footprint and we'll attach the 3D files if required. Then we will work on the PCB, means layout. Okay. Then we'll generate the Gerber files. Then we'll generate the reports like assembly and other things. This is life cycle and end. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
You got to know the life cycle.
Yeah, clear.
Okay. Same time, see, these things we have to keep in mind. This folder management itself I have arranged like this. So you will come to know how the design will be flow. What is the next step? Means this is a step. Without client input, you can't design the schematic, right?
Yeah.
Guys, am I clear?
Yeah,
Yes,
clear.
sir.
To design a schematic, you require the libraries, schematic symbols, right?
Okay.
After schematic design, you are going to generate the DRCs. Okay. You can't simply jump a schematic to the DRC. No, you simply can't jump. Your tool itself will not allow. Okay.
Okay.
Without a schematic, you can't generate netlist because tool itself will not allow. Okay. Without finishing this step, you can't move this. You can't jump this. You can't jump on this directly. No, this is all the steps of the design. Means cycle. What the next? What the next? What the next? What the next?